Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the resolution in Big Block. Let's begin by opening Settings. In Settings, select Display. In this tab, simply look to the top for Screen Resolution. Here you can select one of the available resolution types. You can go as low or as high as you wish. Just try not to minimize, disable full screen during that. Once you are done here, you selected your preferred resolution, press the back button, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.